In this video, I'm going to answer the question, why did Microsoft create VScode? So then, why did Microsoft create VScode? Microsoft created VScode in order to help programmers develop software applications. The software development tool is free to use and comes with a variety of plugins that offer additional functionality. VScode is a web-based editor that helps you write and debug code. It is a great choice for beginner and professional developers alike. VScode is a cross-platform IDE integrated development environment designed for developing software. It supports a wide range of technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript. It also integrates with a number of source control systems such as Git, Perforce, and Apache Subversion, and includes support for FTP. VScode was created in response to the growing demand for full-stack developers who can build and maintain an application from start to finish. It is one of the first IDEs to offer built-in support for source control tools and features a dedicated tab in its menu bar. The tool is available for both Windows and macOS and can be installed in minutes via an easy-to-use download. It supports a large number of languages and offers IntelliSense and code completion features. Although it is a popular choice for web development, it can also be used by other types of programmers, such as those who want to write JavaScript or TypeScript. The tool is free and can be downloaded for Windows, macOS, or Linux. It is based on Electron, a project from GitHub that makes it possible to develop desktop apps for macOS and Linux using web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript. Unlike many other code editors, VScode is built entirely on the host machine, rather than sending network requests to remote servers. This makes it more energy efficient and improves performance. Another important feature of VScode is its ability to integrate with cloud services. It supports Azure and Microsoft's serverless computing platform, so developers can build and deploy applications with a single click. In addition, VScode comes with a number of extensions that allow users to create and manage their own databases. It can store and query relational data and scale to handle large amounts of traffic. VScode is a free and open source IDE that has received a lot of attention from developers. It is considered one of the best IDEs for code development and is an excellent alternative to Visual Studio. However, there is a downside to VScode. It is not fully open source, and it tracks usage data. This may not be a problem for most users, but it is a big concern for open source purists. Microsoft created VScode because it wanted to create a lightweight and powerful code editor for modern cloud and web development. The editor is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux and can be used to build applications for both the web and cloud. VScode is free to download and use. It supports a variety of languages and has a large number of extensions that help you customize how the program works. In addition, it has a built-in source control feature that allows you to create repositories and push and pull changes directly from the program. It is one of the most popular code editors on the market, and it's also a great way to learn a new programming language. Unlike many other code editors, it offers whole line and full function completions for a variety of programming languages. It also has a natural language-based interface that makes it easier to find commands. The program can be used to develop websites, apps, games, and more. It supports JavaScript and TypeScript natively. and it can be extended with extensions for various coding languages, such as Python, C++, C#, Go, Rust, PHP, and more. VScode is also one of the best tools for developing mobile applications. It's easy to use and has a large number of features that make it a great choice for developers who want to build apps that are compatible with iOS, Android, and more. This tool is also a great option for learning new languages, such as Ruby, because it has an extensive community of developers that provide support and help for newcomers. In addition, it is easy to install new features by installing extensions. Visual Studio Code is a free, open-source code editor that can be downloaded from Microsoft's website. The program is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and can be used to write any kind of application. It is a popular tool for programmers because it's lightweight, easy to use, and has a large number of extensions that can help you develop any project. It is also updated frequently with new features and bug fixes. VScode is a free development tool that is developed by Microsoft. It is an integrated development environment IDE that can be used to program in multiple languages. It also offers a wide range of features that allow you to develop applications quickly and easily. Unlike other IDEs, it has a lot of advanced features and supports a variety of programming languages. It also allows you to build apps, debug them, and test them using built-in tools. It also lets you connect various databases and systems to your code. You can also install different extensions that will help you get more out of VScode. It is easy to use and can be customized according to your needs. It also has a built-in source control feature that allows you to track changes made to the files. It also helps you create repositories and submit push and pull requests. Another key advantage of VScode is that it is open source. It is developed by a community of contributors, and it has a large number of free plugins that you can download to add extra functionality to your coding session. One of the most popular reasons why VScode is used is that it is a great tool for developing websites and mobile apps. It can be used on Mac and Windows, and it is compatible with a number of web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. VScode is a powerful tool that is used by millions of developers around the world. It is a lightweight coding tool that offers features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and code completion for various languages. It also allows you to set up a Git repository and work with it directly from the editor. It is free to download and use, and it is fully compatible with most operating systems. It is a great choice for both small teams and freelancers. Visual Studio Code is a popular coding tool that has been around since 2015. It offers numerous features that make it easy to complete coding projects. It also has a marketplace of curated extensions that help you get the most out of it. Microsoft developed VScode to be a lightweight, yet powerful editor. It allows developers to check their code syntax, complete and refactor code, debug, and finally, merge their changes into a repository. With millions of downloads, VScode is used by many different kinds of developers, including web, mobile, and cloud developers. It has a lot of great features, and it is easy to use because of its simplicity. It is also a cross-platform tool, meaning that it runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS. It has a robust marketplace for extensions, so you can find all sorts of tools and libraries of snippets to make it even more functional. Another reason that VScode is so easy to use is that it offers lots of customization options and keyboard shortcuts. You can set up a custom workspace, customize the font and colors, change the background, and even add a keyboard shortcut for your most common keys to save time during the coding process. VScode is also equipped with IntelliSense, which suggests words to type when you're writing a line of code. It also has a GitHub Copilot extension that can save you time and help you write cleaner code. You can also set up linting to ensure that your code is clean. This is a great extension for web developers who are working on CSS, as it lets you view stacking contexts in your code so that you can confidently use small values. It also tells you when a z-index declaration doesn't have an effect and offers quick fixes. Live Sass is a real-time Sass compiler that will compile your Sass files to CSS files in a live browser reload. It allows you to customize the file location of the exported CSS, includes a status bar control, and supports auto prefix. You can use it for a wide range of Sass styles, and you can add a customizable status bar control to show the live reload results in your browser. It's also easy to start and stop a live Sass server using the status bar and has a lot of settings that will help you customize it to your needs. I hope you enjoyed this video answering the question, why did Microsoft create VScode? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.